Hello there, y'all. My name is Jesse. I'm an American man living what you might call the good life here in the beautiful Philippines. The reason for that good life? Well, a big part of it is my amazing Filipina fiancée and her wonderful family. And let me tell you, when her family gets together to cook, something truly special happens. It's more than just putting ingredients in a pot. It's an event, a celebration, a whole vibe. I'm here today to be your friendly teacher, your guide into this world of incredible flavors and even bigger hearts. We're going to break down why Filipino family cooking absolutely slaps. This is your simple, warm, and hopefully funny guide to making it happen. So grab a seat, get comfortable, and let's get started, y'all. Now, before we dive into recipes and plans, you gotta understand the core idea. In the Philippines, food isn't just fuel for your body. No, sir. Food is the language of love. So what's the main ingredient that makes Filipino food so incredible? Is it a rare spice? A secret vinegar? Nope. The secret ingredient, my friends, is community, tradition, the laughter, and the love that get mixed into every single dish. In the Philippines, food is the thread that weaves the fabric of community life together. A birthday isn't just a birthday, it's an excuse to roast a magnificent lechon. A graduation isn't just a ceremony, it's a reason to cook a giant pot of pancit to wish the graduate a long and prosperous life. Every major milestone, and even the small ones, is marked with a shared meal. It's how people show up for each other, in good times and in bad. This philosophy is built right into the culture. When you visit someone's home here, the first question you'll almost always hear is, "Kumain ka na?" which means, "Have you eaten yet?" It's not just a polite question, it's a genuine offer of hospitality. They are ready to drop everything and whip you up a plate of food no matter the time of day. This is because sharing a meal is the ultimate act of friendship and respect. All right, class is in session. Let's get practical. You can't just snap your fingers and have a feast appear. It starts with a plan. This isn't a stressful flowchart. It's a fun plan. First things first, invite your people. Call them, text them. Send a carrier pigeon if you have to. Filipinos have an open door policy. Expect extra people, a cousin, a friend, +1 or 5 rule. The more the merrier. Make sure you have enough chairs or brace for standing room only. Decide the occasion and time. Mostly lunch that turns into a lazy afternoon or a fiesta or birthday. More fanfare. Get a rough head count, then think menu. Don't cook 20 things. Pick a few all-stars. Main meat dish, noodle or vegetable dish, maybe a soup, definitely a dessert. Most important, rice. Then write more rice below it, underline twice. Think about your audience. Lots of kids, fried chicken, sweet Filipino spaghetti. Elders coming, lolas and lolos, comforting sinigang. Variety shows you thought of them. You don't need to please every whim, but a little consideration goes far. Get ready for a sensory explosion because we're going to the market. The palengke or wet market is where the magic really begins. My first time at a Filipino market, my senses went into overdrive. Sight, sound, smells. It's loud, it's chaotic, it's a little wet, and it is absolutely wonderful. You have to go early in the morning to get the best stuff. That's when the fish are still glistening, the vegetables are crisp with morning dew, and the butchers have the freshest cuts of pork and chicken laid out. This isn't like strolling through a sterile supermarket aisle. This is an adventure. When you're at the market, you've got to engage. Don't just point at what you want. Talk to the vendors. These folks are experts. Ask the fishmonger, your suki, which fish is best for a sour sinigang soup today. They'll point you to the perfect one, and might even clean it for you with a smile. Smile at the vegetable seller and ask her which bunch of kangkong is the freshest. Building these little relationships is part of the fun. Better prices, better products, and maybe even a little piece of local gossip for free. It's all part of the experience. Now let's talk about your shopping list. Freshness is king. Get your garlic, onions, and tomatoes, the holy trinity of Filipino cooking. Grab some vibrant green vegetables. And when it comes to meat, be specific. Section 5. Step 3. Choosing your culinary champions. Okay, you've survived the market, and now you have a mountain of glorious, fresh ingredients. It's time to choose your champions, the main dishes that will grace your table and make everyone's eyes light up. For a really big blowout celebration like a wedding or a major fiesta, the undisputed king is lechon. This is a whole roasted pig, slowly turned over coals, until the skin is unbelievably crispy and the meat inside is tender and juicy. The moment the lechon arrives at a party is a moment of pure spectacle. You'll hear a collective gasp, followed by cheers. The sound of that skin cracking is music to a Filipino's ears. It's a serious commitment, but man, is it worth it? But hey, you don't need a whole pig to throw a fantastic party. For most gatherings, the true workhorse, the reliable hero, is adobo. Adobo can be made with chicken, pork, or a mix of both. It's a deceptively simple dish of meat simmered in soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, peppercorns, bay leaves. The beauty of adobo is that it actually tastes better the next day, so you can make it ahead of time. It's savory, it's tangy, and it's the ultimate comfort food. Every family has their own little secret adobo recipe. Some add a little sugar for sweetness, others make it extra garlicky. It's a dish that's both universal and deeply personal. No Filipino celebration is complete without noodles. That's where pancit comes in. This is a stir-fried noodle dish, often filled with vegetables, chicken, and shrimp. For birthdays, serving pancit is a must, as the long noodles are said to symbolize a long and healthy life. Then you have the ultimate party snack, lumpia. These are crispy, fried spring rolls, and they are dangerously addictive. You can't just have one. They're usually filled with ground pork, minced vegetables, and served with a sweet and sour dipping sauce. Now for my favorite part, the cooking. This is where the house truly comes alive. Forget the idea of a quiet, solitary chef. A Filipino kitchen during party prep is more like a symphony orchestra. Loud, chaotic, beautiful. The titas are the conductors, wielding their ladles like batons. They know the recipes by heart, not from written measurements, but from generations of taste and feel. It needs a little more vinegar, one will say, after a quick taste. "Don't burn the garlic," someone will shout with a laugh. Their wisdom is the foundation of the entire meal. Everyone has a role to play in this symphony. It's a team sport. The kids are often put on lumpia duty. They'll sit around the table with a mountain of filling, learning the delicate art of rolling spring rolls. My fiance's mom taught me how to do it. My first few attempts were structurally questionable. Lumpy lumpia falling apart in the fryer. But everyone laughed, showed me again, and we kept rolling. It wasn't about making perfect lumpia. Spending time together, sharing a task, making a memory. The men often get assigned the heavy lifting jobs. Big heavy pot of rice, chopping squash with effort. This is where the stories really start to flow. While the food simmers, the air fills with chatter, catching up on each other's lives, telling old family jokes everyone still laughs at, reminiscing about past gatherings. The kitchen becomes a living room, the conference hall, a comedy club. The cooking is winding down, and the air is thick with incredible aromas. Now it's time to set the stage for the feast. A Filipino table is not about minimalism, it's about abundance. Think generosity, think bounty. Use big platters and large serving bowls to show off the food. Forget individual plates served from the kitchen. The food is placed in the center of the table, family style, for everyone to share. The rice cooker itself often gets a place of honor right on the table, always open and ready for someone to grab another scoop. Arrangement is key, but keep it practical. Put the main dishes in the middle, adobo, pancit where everyone can reach them. Scatter smaller bowls of dipping sauces, vinegar with garlic for lumpia, soy sauce with calamansi. Make sure you have plenty of serving spoons and napkins, lots and lots of napkins. Don't stress about fancy tablecloths or matching plates. The focus is the food and the company. Make it easy for people to dig in and enjoy. One fun way to serve is the boodle fight or kamayan. Cover a long table with banana leaves and lay food on top. Mounds of rice, grilled fish, shrimp, chicken, vegetables, a wide spread with everything together. No plates or utensils. Everyone stands around and eats with their hands. It might seem messy, but it's an incredible bonding experience. It breaks down formality and puts everyone on the same level. It's a celebration of community and sharing. As host, be the master of ceremonies. Use a warm, confident teacher voice. Announce dishes with flair. All right, everyone, the lumpia are fresh out of the fryer. Get them while they're hot. Make a little joke. I made this adobo with love, and a secret ingredient I'll never tell. Encourage people to eat, Invite them multiple times. It's part of the polite dance, so say it loud and clear. Kain na tayo. Let's eat. Your energy will set the tone for the entire meal. Every culture has its little rules of etiquette, and a Filipino gathering is no different. But these aren't stuffy, formal rules. They're simple guidelines for showing respect and love. First and foremost, always honor the elders. They are the pillars of the family. Let them get their food first. Make sure they have a comfortable seat. Ask them if they need anything. A little gesture like getting your Lola a glass of water shows a huge amount of respect. This simple act of deference is a cornerstone of Filipino family values. Next, listen for the sounds of the party. A quiet Filipino party is a sign that something is wrong. There should be a constant, happy hum of activity. You should hear the clinking of spoons and forks against plates. You should hear bursts of loud laughter. You should hear music playing from a speaker in the corner. Someone might even get brave and start singing along, maybe a little off-key, which will just lead to more laughter. Don't shush people. Encourage the joyful noise. This is the soundtrack of a successful gathering. It's the sound of connection happening in real time. There's a funny little dance that happens around the last piece of food on a platter. Everyone will want it, but nobody will want to be the one to take it because that might seem greedy. This is called Filipino hospitality in reverse. People will offer it to each other in a circle. You have it. No, you have it. Oh, so, there you have it. That's the heart and soul of why Filipino Family Cooking Slaps. It's not about complicated techniques or expensive ingredients. It's about opening your home and your heart. Food is the bridge that connects us all, from the bustling energy of the morning market to the last laugh over a plate of leftovers. It's designed to build community, create joy, strengthen family bonds. It's a beautiful, living tradition. As for me, Jesse, this is my life now. I learned to cook a decent adobo from my fiancé's dad. I learned to roll a respectable lumpia from her mom after many failed attempts we still laugh about. Burning the garlic? Not a disaster, a good-natured joke. The best meals are seasoned with stories and laughter. This way of life has brought so much warmth into my world. Final call to action. Be brave. Be bold. Go out and try it. You don't have to roast a whole lechon on your first try. Start small. Invite a few friends or family over. Pick one dish, maybe adobo or lumpia. Put on some music. Let them help in the kitchen. Don't worry about making it perfect. Focus on sharing the experience. Watch how cooking and eating together can transform an afternoon. Remember the simple rules. Always make extra rice. Let the elders eat first. Encourage loud laughter. Share the last piece with a joke. Serve everything with a generous heart and a big smile. Filipino family cooking is an expression of love, a recipe for happiness passed down generations. Now it's your turn. Plan that meal. Enjoy every bite and every moment. Thank you for joining my class. I hope to see you again soon with a full plate and an even bigger smile. Know that you are valuable and that you matter. God bless and peace.